Okay, so we're at the, I think it's a Jiffytube area, but I don't remember. I'll probably look on Google Maps when we get there. Well, anyway, we're going to do a car wash video today. YouTube user TheElevatorChannel has made some, so I decided to make one of my own. And as you can see, 2 washes are being used right now.
What do you think? Go on the left or the right?
We can probably try that one. The left one.
The left?
The one with the solid red light.
Oh, okay.
Not too sure if it's on its spot-free rents right now.
Oh, see the sign over there? The name of this is California Car Wash.
Oh, I see. So I'm going to read the prices out loud. We have Basic for 6, Deluxe for 8, Premium for 10, and Ultimate for 12.
Here, I can hold out the window if you like.
Okay.
So which one would you like to get today?
We were gonna go for. We can go for the top one.
Oh, you want to go for the Ultimate?
Yeah, YouTube user TheElevatorChannel has done one.
All right.
So let's see what type of system it is. It is a radius system. Radius system. Mm-hmm. Sorry about that.
Thank you for using our automatic car wash. Please enter your 5-digit code, deposit money, or insert your card for a wash. Bill accepted. Please deposit additional money for the selected wash.
So the dryer's just
Bill
turned off.
accepted. Thank you. For an upgrade, please deposit additional money. Please select wash by pressing one of the wash.
The
Bill
light says
accepted.
green.
Bill accepted. If your vehicle has a bug deflector, please press the pound key. Thank you. Please drive into the wash slowly and stop when the stop sign
Alright.
is
Do me a
up.
favor, reach over there,
Yeah.
grab that mirror.
Okay.
Pull it to the side. Okay, we leave the windows down?
We can put them up.
Sure you don't want them down? Because then we can wash the inside of the van.
No.
We can wash the
Put 'em up.
inside.
Come on, put 'em up.
What?
It's safe to put the windows up.
Ah.
So you
Wash
want
these.
to pull in pretty slowly. Slowly. Here we go. Looks like we're getting our not sure if this is pre-soak.
I believe this is the pre-soak.
As you can see, there's a sign telling you what to do, and there's an LED sign. Oh, I see. Now it's the pre-soak.
Oh yeah, you're right, you're right. Oh yeah, you see the sign over there, detergent pre-soak.
Mm-hmm. This is the same as a laserwash 4000, except it stops, turns slowly, and moves again. Look at this coating. It's kind of hard to see what's actually happening right now. Is this more pre-soak?
Yeah, that's what the sign says. You're going to still get more detergent pre-soak.
I think we're getting more of the pre-soak. And the air conditioning might blow on the mic, so we might want to turn the air off. Yeah, it's much better. Okay, so we're getting the high pressure rinse. Yeah, this is the same as the laserwash 4000, except it turns pretty slowly. See, stop, and turn again. Looks like we're going for another round of the high pressure rinse. Not sure if this is the spot-free rinse. Sure looks like it. Yeah, see how it says rinsing?
Yeah.
This looks like our Trifoam now.
Yep, foaming wax. Pretty colors.
Mm-hmm.
Purple.
Or was that Rain X? Yeah, this is the Rain X.
Clear coat?
Oh, I see. So this is the clear coat protection.
See how the water beads up on the windshield now?
Mm-hmm.
And you got wax on it.
Oh, I see. So this is the spot-free rinse.
Spot-free rinse, yeah. It should be just about finished.
dryer's looks like good.
Dryer's kicking up.
And dry forward. Thank you for your business.
See our timer up there? Tells us
Yep.
how much time we have on the dryer.
It's a pretty good dryer. It's you can see the other dryers in the other wash system.
If you turn around, you can see the other car going in.
Oh, I see. 15 seconds on the clock. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we're good.
You want to get out and see what kind of job it did?
It did a pretty good job. First, let me fix this.
There you go.
There we go.
Good deal.
It did a fairly decent job.
Alright.
So, hope you enjoyed.